affect us over the next 24 to 36 hours. This is a computer model indicating that everything really starts late, very late Saturday night, more likely early on Sunday morning. And as you can see, by about 6 a.m. Sunday morning, we start to see an icy mix in the Charlotte area. That's some sleet, freezing rain, and sleet and snow. That's all snow in the North Carolina mountains. We get to about 11 o'clock Sunday night. So between 5 a.m. Sunday morning, 11 o'clock Sunday night, that's a continuation of a lot of snowfall, especially in the mountains. Notice the change over here. That's some sleet, some rain, freezing rain, and snow. So it's really kind of a wintry mix of the Charlotte area, but it's all snow in the mountains and the foothills. That's Sunday night at 11 o'clock that we take you to Monday morning at 9 a.m. The precipitation continues at that time. It's a changeover to rain here, north of here, sleet, freezing rain, and snow as it starts to track away and move out of here by early in the afternoon. So we're looking at overnight, Saturday night into Sunday, Monday, and then really late Monday night into very early on Tuesday morning. Significant amount of precipitation is expected in those areas. This is another model looking at that 3 p.m. on Saturday afternoon. This is meaning Saturday should be okay right through the afternoon. Then we get to about midnight as we get into Sunday morning. We start to see that precipitation moving right into the mountains and eventually the Charlotte metro area. That's 7 a.m. On Sunday morning. That is all snow from Charlotte to the mountains of foothills along the Interstate 40 corridor as well. Then this is Sunday afternoon at 4 o'clock, and that is a kind of a wintry mix here in the Charlotte metro area. That's some sleet and snow here. It's all snow from Asheville to Boone, Blowing Rock, all the way over towards the Triad. Then we get into that time frame around 10 o'clock Sunday night. We see a changeover in the Charlotte metro area to some rain, sleet, freezing rain, and snow, a wintry mix here. That's mainly snow in the mountains. And then along the I-40 corridor, that's some snow and sleet in those areas. Once again, we talk about Monday morning. We still could see a wintry mix in the Charlotte area before that storm system is gone and out of here. So it could be a major problem for several days across the entire area. It begins late Saturday through Monday, late Monday into very early on Tuesday. Snow likely in the mountains and the foothills. And for the Charlotte metro area, we're going to see some snow. We'll see some accumulation here. We're going to see that mix of some freezing rain and sleet with that. That could be even a messier situation in the Charlotte area. Mainly snow and sleet in the mountains along areas from Hickory to Statesville. It's about the same. Lincolnton, Gastonia, Concord, Albemarle, and the Charlotte area. That's an ice, snow, rain mix. Then you get over towards areas from Lancaster to Cheraw to Wadesboro, Rockingham, and those areas. That's just mainly a cold rain, maybe a little bit of freezing rain with that as we check out and show you the potential for a lot of snowfall. In the North Carolina mountains around the Boone area, they could see anywhere from 6 to maybe up to 12 inches of snow in some of the higher elevations. Now this maybe there's a little bit of an overestimation, but for the Charlotte area, you can see possibly 1 to 4 inches of snow here. Some of the areas north of here could get a significant amount. There are some computer models that we've been looking at that show even higher amounts. But once again, it's a developing storm system. We'll keep updating this. The major problems, the winter storm impacts, the highest or most extreme problems would be anywhere from, say, Morganton all the way up towards areas around Boone, Blowing Rock, Banner Elk, Jefferson, West Jefferson, and the mountains. High categories would be Taylorsville, Statesville, Hickory, Lincoln, and those areas. And for the Charlotte area, we're still looking at potential for quite a bit of impact here, and that would be the amount of precipitation we get. But with the temperatures below freezing, that means that everything that falls freezes over on highways, obviously bridges and overpasses, so there could be things like major problems on the highways. We could see some power outages with trees and power lines down. All this, once again, it's a developing storm system, so we still have about 24 to maybe 36 hours to fine-tune this, and we'll keep doing that throughout the day, and obviously right here on NBC Charlotte. We'll keep you updated. Hope you have a nice day.